Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Access Bank app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Access Bank mobile app? It is simple. You can launch your Google Play Store or your Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So once you launch any of those applications, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account by registering. So once you follow through with the steps, it's going to take you right into the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank mobile app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to transfer money from the Access Bank app. Now, how to transfer money from the Access Bank app. Here, I'll be taking you through two ways you can transfer money from your Access Bank account to another account. Of course, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. After the bank app, I'm going to show you how to do that using USSD code. Now, these are the ways that you can transfer money from Access Bank account to another Access Bank account or to another bank account by using the Access Bank USSD code and, of course, by using the Access Bank mobile app. So let's head over to the mobile app. So download the Access Bank mobile app, which of course I showed you on Google Play or Apple Store. Now install and launch the app. Then, if you're using it for the first time, you will need to register with some personal information. Just follow the process on the app, self-explanatory. Now, once you're on the home page, the dashboard, click on Transfers. You're going to see the Transfers tab. Click on Transfers. After clicking on Transfers, input the recipient's account number, bank, and amount. Now, verify to ensure that all information is correct and you're not sending this money to the wrong account. Input your secure PIN code, which you're going to be prompted to input for authorization. After doing that, click on Submit, and that's it. It's simple as ABC. That's how you can transfer using the mobile app. Now, how can you do that using USSD? If you're new to Access Bank USSD code, then you need to register first before you can start using USSD code. Now, after you've successfully registered, or you have been using USSD code before, simply open your call app. Dial *901 *amount *number and account number to transfer. Then take, for instance, you need to transfer 2,000 to that number. All you need to do is to dial *901 *2000 the account and #. Then you need to select the bank and confirm the transaction with your 4-digit PIN. That's pretty much how you can transfer money using the bank app and, of course, through USSD, which is the bonus for this tutorial. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.